Hello and welcome back to Scribble Every Day. Another day, another monster. I use the same traits for all monsters, but they vary in their intensity. Today's class is Primatus, which is an ape-like monster. The first thing that came to my mind when I heard the traits was orangutan and sloth. With the concept in mind, I wanted to start, but I did not like the proportions. So in the end I started again, and this time I liked it. Not perfect, but much better. Okay, let's get to the description. I named him Tainishoja My, which again is based on sloth and orangutan, translated from the Japanese language. I hope Google Translate did not betray me. Taida means sloth, but I changed it to Tiny, which apparently means something like too much, and this works as well. And you'll see why in just a moment. Anyways, Tainishoja My is a small ape-like monster. It is just a bit taller than the average hunter. Even though it's mostly resistant to any kind of physical damage, it hates to be tossed around. Instead of fighting, it tries to run away. But due to its short, stumpy legs, it's slow, and after just a short dash, it's already exhausted and it will need to rest. It is very lazy, so it's not used to run for long distances. When it can't lose his persecutor, it will start to rage and fight. At first, it will throw rocks or tree stumps to scare the unpleasant persecutor away. If it fails, it sees red. No more holding back. Now it will be the hunter. Every hit it must take gets it even more enraged, until it passes out from sheer pain. Yes, that's right. Being enraged hurts it, but he won't be passed out for long, and it will run away as soon as it wakes up. It's not the smartest monster, so it's very likely it forgot that it was enraged the next time it encounters his opponent. Oh, there's one thing that you should try to avoid. Don't touch his spikes on the arm. They are covered in strong toxins. It uses its spikes to pick up poisonous mushrooms and throw them at travelers or other small creatures. Just to enjoy the panic it creates. What a savage monster. But I like my creation. That's it for today, and I'll see you in the next episode.